In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to disable the auto power off option on the Samsung Smart TV with the auto power off option set to a certain period of time. Now, after that set period of time, if there is no user interaction with the Samsung Smart TV, the TV will actually be powered off after the time that was actually set. Get the Samsung Smart TV remote, then please make sure you press the home button right here. Okay, so you have this display on the TV. Then on the left hand side, I've get from home down after settings option. Then move to the right where you actually see the all settings. Press OK on all settings. Then you have this. Move down to general and privacy. Press OK on general and privacy. Then move down to the power and energy saving right there. Press OK. Then you're going to move down and locate the auto power off option. You can see it's set to 4 hours, and on the right hand side you can see how long the TV will wait before turning off after no user interaction is detected. Okay, so press OK, then move up, then select the off option by pressing OK, and you can now see it's now off. That is, the auto power off option has been disabled on the Samsung Smart TV. Okay, if you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.